Hey guys, so in the previous part of the circulatory system, which is uploading right now, I'll show you. Yeah, part 1 of circulatory system is still uploading. And I see my latest video only has 8 views. Why, guys? Okay, you know what, whatever. I don't care about views and all. I don't care about subscribers or likes. Or views. I just wanna share my stuff to the whole internet and all. I don't care about likes, views, and subscribers. I just wanna show my stuff to the entire internet for fun. You know, unlike other YouTubers, I don't wanna be popular. I mean, I don't mind if I'm popular or not popular. I just wanna share my stuff to y'all. Okay, yeah. So let's start. Anatomy of heart done, anatomy of blood vessels done, physiology. Now what does physiology mean? Physiology means how this thing works, right? Google. Come on, Google. How many minutes? Oh God. Physiology means how this thing works. For example, how this YouTube video works is me explaining to you. So me explaining to you this whole circulatory system is a physiology of the video. Anatomy means the structure of this. For example, the structure of this video is that pause button you see, that subscribe button, and all. So yeah. Oh yeah, and the frames are also the part of the anatomy. So I spent 2 minutes to y'all explaining what physiology and anatomy is. Let's just start. So we studied blood capillaries, and we're gonna learn the physiology of blood vessels first. So in physiology of blood vessels, we're only gonna learn how the nutrients gets transported to the cell. But we need to know one important thing, which is very, very important, and it's a kind of memorization trick too. I mean, it's not a memorization trick. It's just a thing that will help you memorize other things. So, veins. So, veins and arteries do not allow things to flow through them. Veins and arteries absolutely do not allow things to flow through them. For example, if a vein allowed oxygenated thing to flow through the vein. For example, a toxic chemical flowed through the vein, and now the toxic chemical is gonna get on the blood, and the blood is gonna get on the heart, and then the heart is gonna pump, and the heart is gonna send it to the blood vessel, then the blood vessel is gonna send it to the cell, then the cell will get the toxic particle, and then you're gonna die. Yep, that's just how it works. And same with arteries. But arteries, so yeah, that's just how it works. And it can mix certain stuff and confuse certain stuff also. For example, if a very nice healthy nutrient enters the vein, note that the vein sends the blood to the heart. Yes, the vein sends to the blood to the heart. The vein sends the blood to the heart, and this blood in the vein always, no matter what, it has useless things. So if a useful thing enters the vein, then this useful thing will get on the blood vessel, and then this blood vessel will go to the heart, and the heart will send it to a special vein, and this special vein will send it to the lungs, which will send it outside through the nose. And then so your body will miss the chance of getting a very precious healthy nutrient. So and that's why we, and same with arteries, and that's it. And I'm just gonna teach some basics real quick. Veins send blood to the heart. Veins carry deoxygenated blood which does not have oxygen. And arteries take blood from the heart and send it to the body. Okay, arteries take the blood away from the heart. Arteries take the blood away from the heart and send it to the body. The blood in the arteries is always oxygenated, meaning it has very fresh, healthy nutrients. And that's it. Now we have 4 minutes to explain the rest. So we're gonna explain the rest through animation, of course. Wait, this is the animation, right? So this animation shows that when the nutrients when anything tries to get in and out of the blood vessel, vein and arteries, restart. This animation shows that when anything tries to get in or out of the arteries or veins, it cannot get in or out. But when anything tries to go in or out through the capillaries, it does. Why? Because in capillaries, carbon dioxide needs to get on the cell and oxygen needs to get out of the cell. If it does not, then you will die. So capillaries are the places where carbon dioxide goes out of the cell and oxygen goes inside the cell. And now let's get to the function actually. So arteries. So the blood in the arteries goes to the capillaries, and the blood in the capillaries stays in the capillaries. But the thing is that the blood in the arteries has nutrients and oxygen. This nutrients and oxygen needs to get to the cells. So what the body did is that the body made these things called capillaries for the blood to go in. And in the capillaries, what happens is that the oxygen in the capillaries goes to the cell and the carbon dioxide goes out of the cell. This happens through diffusion. Diffusion means a thing going from a higher concentration to a lower concentration. And now let's see the animation before the time runs out. And this is the animation. Bye.